What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we have a very special unboxing. Today is going to be our very first product review for the channel. A company by the name of Atoto. They went ahead and contacted me and asked me to review this head unit, doubled in. It's an Android head unit. It's the A6 version. There's actually already a bunch of reviews out there, but they contacted me and asked me if I could do a review as well. So today we just got it in the mail, and we're gonna go ahead and install it, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest review. But right now, let's go ahead and open up the box and see what it comes with. We got a bunch of wires up here. This looks like a microphone for the Bluetooth. We got the wire harness for the back, the USB cable to plug in your phone. We got some mounting brackets here. They actually give you the wiring diagram on the top, which is really nice. We're gonna go install this right now, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. I wired up the head unit. If you guys want to know how to do it, I have a previous video on when I installed this first head unit in there. Probably put it up here somewhere. You can click on that video. But anyway, it's pretty much the same process. So I went ahead and I wired up the head unit, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to turn it on for the first time right now. Oh, that was fast. That was like 2 seconds and it was on. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up installing this, and then I will come back to give you guys my first impressions. I just put everything back together, as you guys can see. So I had a chance to play around with it for a little bit, but from that little time, I can honestly tell you that I like it so far. I like it a lot. It's actually pretty awesome for the price. If you look it up, it's about $250 to $300, and honestly, that's not a bad price for what it comes with. It comes with GPS, it's a touchscreen, reverse camera, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and for the price point, I feel like it's awesome. I'll be trying out this head unit, and then I'll give you guys an updated review on it, let's just say in about a month. So it's been a couple weeks since we installed this double din here, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest review. I really like this double din. So if you can tell, it's actually really sleek. I love the full glass face. One thing I do find myself missing though is the actual volume, but it's not too bad because this thing is actually really responsive. It's just, I find myself often reaching for the knob that's not there. I think it's just because I had a double din previously that has a knob right here. But other than that, I kind of got used to this slider right here. It's also pretty responsive if you just tap it. I believe if you hold it down, yeah, it'll move as well. So it's not so bad. Another thing that I do like about this double din, especially for the price point, is gonna be that this thing has navigation. You can download like the maps onto an SD card and plug it in right here. It's gonna be a mini SD, but I haven't done it yet because I've always used my hotspot. In this price range, is pretty rare to see navigation, and as well as like all this versatility with the Play Store. This is the home screen right here. As soon as you hit this home button or you turns on, it automatically take you to this screen right here. It has like your aux, here's your phone / Bluetooth connectivity. You hit this button, this is where you stream all your music. If your phone has a hotspot, I feel like you will be using that a lot more to power this thing like a built-in tablet rather than actually like using it as a head unit. We're not really needing to put any like or listen to the radio or listen to the SD card, because a lot of the songs that we listen to, we already have a playlist on like YouTube, Pandora, Spotify. The company also sent me this thing here. This is a smartphone link adapter or receiver. If you plug it into one of the two USB inputs that come with the actual double din, it allows you to mirror your phone. So once you plug everything in, if you hit the Easy Connect app, you're gonna choose your device. Swipe to get to your screen mirroring button, hit your EC mirror. I would see myself using this a lot more if I did not have a hotspot on the phone already that'll power the Wi-Fi for the double din itself. But since we have hotspot, I feel like there's not really a need to do this because everything that I can do on my phone, I pretty much can do on the double din. I've been just using this as an iPad or like a Android tablet, as well as a media center. So we'll watch YouTube videos on this. You can download Netflix as well. So let's watch, or let's turn on some Eliminate right now. These guys are killing it in the Bay Area.
What is up,
shout out to Randy. But as you guys can see, it actually plays like really quickly. It's actually really good quality too. But it's pretty much just like a tablet, which is actually pretty dope. So like I said, we've been using the hotspot on this to power this. It's actually more convenient for us. If you don't have hotspot, I would totally recommend this. So some key points that I like about this thing is that it has the full face. There's no knobs on it, even though sometimes I feel like I reach for the knobs that's not there. I really enjoy this look. It really updates the look of this 4Runner. I like how bright the screen is. I love the fact that it comes with navigation as well as the Wi-Fi receivers. One thing I should mention is that you don't need to mount your antennas outside the dashboard for them to work. So what I did was I just plugged them into the back and then I stuck them on the inside of the dashboard. There's no interference or anything with the Wi-Fi or the GPS. It works perfectly and I don't have any wires anywhere looking all ugly. I love the versatility that you get with this, because there you can download applications. So the only real drawback that I can see is that it doesn't have a volume button or volume knob, and the glare, which isn't too big of a deal. They do give us a few screen protectors, but I haven't tried them out to see if any of them are anti-glare or anything. Honestly, I don't feel like that's a big enough drawback to not purchase this head unit itself. So if you guys want to pick up this head unit, I would totally recommend it. Shout out to Atoto for sending this out for review. We really appreciate this partnership that you guys have done with us. If you guys want to pick one up for you guys selves, go ahead in the description below and pick one up. I'll have a link for this double din as well as this receiver here, so that way you can mirror your phone if you do not have a hotspot. It honestly surprised me. It has all the capabilities as a tablet as well as a double din for your car. As you guys seen, you can hook up your reverse camera and everything, so the versatility is there, and for the price point, I don't see why you wouldn't pick one up. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up so that other people can find it. Make sure you subscribe if you guys haven't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, peace out and stay good.